It's just gonna be a real quick, fast video here. So the question is my chain going on the correct direction, and why is it not cutting? So look, this is what it looks like on this side where the reservoir is, and look at the way my chain on the bar is headed. It's headed like the angle side is towards this end. See that? That's the correct direction, towards the tip. And if you look even closer, you might see an arrow. Yeah, right there. Right there. Does it show? Yep, there it is. See the arrow? Look for the arrow, and then you'll know if you have it going in the correct direction. All right? So that's the 1 minute tip on this Ryobi. If it's not cutting, also look, this is loose now since I used it. That's too loose, so you gotta tighten it up. But look for that arrow. There's that arrow. There's the arrow. I'll make it. This will be the, yeah, right there. That is the shot for the thumbnail. All right. Look for the arrow. Put your chain on correctly on that bar, and then you should have no problem cutting. And also make sure you check that reservoir, because the reservoir runs out fast. All right.